Hey yo, it's boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous Coffee Machine. I don't know what that sound was. That's probably just my Tic Tacs in my seat. Today we're covering a couple of these motherfucking Tic Tacs. They're just Tic Tacs. Relax. They're not pills. They're not burning knuckles, I swear. Yeah, a cup of Antimatter. Here we go. And this is another death scene. And of course, Gavataru. That drink does not look friendly. Whoa. This is weird. Feels like nothing and everything at the same time. It's like a cold rush. My stomach flips and there's this pressure building like something's about to go wrong. Oh no, this doesn't feel right. I think I need to sit down. My chest is tightening. Why does everything feel so off? This isn't just weird, it's...
Finish her!
That is not how antimatter works at all, by the way. Antimatter does not make explosions. It just destroys reality. Okay, that is not how antimatter works. But okay. Oh, things went wrong real quickly. Okay. Alright, that is... Oh my fucking god. What went wrong this episode? Did I just die? Yes, you did. How unfortunate. That's sad. Alright, y'all, that's my long play of Cup of Antimatter. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for next video. Bye-bye.